Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be trying some spicy soup here. It's a cold day, so hopefully this stuff warms me up. This morning was, I think, 19 degrees Fahrenheit, and right now it's warmed all the way up to about 30. So anyway, Campbell's Chunky Ghost Pepper Chicken Noodle. All right, so huge thumbs up to the person who sent this to me. I really do appreciate it. I was actually looking at stores for this, could not find it in stores. I know it's on Amazon. But anyway, you know, Campbell's Chunky Soup, chicken noodle. Hasn't had that before, right? Ghost pepper version. So we're going to see. I've heard some people say this is extremely hot. I've heard other people just enjoy it for lunch, you know, no big deal. I'm very curious if it actually has some heat. So, let's see. Campbell's Soup, Camden, New Jersey. I didn't know that. Okay. Camden's not a very nice place to be. I've been to Camden many times. Let's see, ingredients: chicken stock, chicken meat, a bunch of crap, celery, red peppers, just says red peppers. Okay, then we go down here towards the bottom, ghost chili pepper extract. So this does in fact have extract in it. Just the question is how much. They put a couple drops for a massive, 100-gallon batch, 1,000-gallon batch, I have no idea. But we're going to see. So obviously I got to heat it up. So I'll be back with a hot bowl of soup. It'll be temperature hot, and it'll also be, hopefully spicy hot. We'll see. I'll be back. All right, there it is. This soup looks menacing. You know what I mean? Like, see all the red slick that's on here? We're going to see how hot it is. So let me set this up and let's try it. All right, so it's temperature hot. Not like screaming hot, but I had to warm it up just to try it in its natural state. Can't have cold soup, right? So we got the noodles, we got the couple pretty processed chunks of chicken in here. Let's go ahead and just try the broth first. All right. Smells good. It smells like chicken noodle. I don't really smell the spiciness specifically. All right, here we go. It's spicy, but it's actually like really good spicy. All right, let me take a bite of some veggies and noodle and stuff. All right, got some carrots, some noodle. All right, all right. Get some more broth. The more you eat it, the hotter it gets. Wow, that's actually surprising. That is actually really, really good. Caveat, if you're a chili head. So, for the average person that maybe uses a little Frank's Hot and starts to break a sweat, this will be spicy to you. This will not be enjoyable. However, if you like spicy food, this is pretty good. The heat level for me so far, having a couple bites, like the first bite, you're kind of like, that's not bad. But then like you eat more, it's kind of like Flamin' Hot anything. Flamin' Hot Cheetos, whatever. You have one, you're like, oh, what's the big deal? Flamin' Hot, ooh, Flamin' Hot. And then you have like a handful, and then you're like, okay, well, it's getting hotter. Obviously, with more of it, it gets hotter, right? Let's try a bite with chicken, which there's never much chicken. This whole can has like 3 pieces, I think. All right. Yeah. Sorry, shouldn't talk my mouth full. That's good. That, as far as processed canned soup goes, chicken noodle soup is one of those soups that you can make homemade, fairly cheap, and really easy. It does not have to be complicated. You watch some videos on people's homemade chicken noodle soup. Go to the store, get a rotisserie chicken, get some chicken stock, get a thing of celery, get a carrot, you know what I'm saying? Boom, 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 throw it in a pot, you know. Homemade, and noodles, obviously, whatever kind of pasta you want in there, but homemade chicken noodle soup is one of the easiest, cheapest soups to make, I think, personally. And my wife will make it a couple times a year. It's wonderful. She makes a whole bunch of it, so we eat it for like 3-4 days straight. So like if you're buying soup for convenience, you can have a much better quality soup if that's the soup you like. But there's other soups that, yeah, of course, if you get in the can, it's gonna be way cheaper and easier than, you know, making a homemade. Anyway, veered off the subject here. This is phenomenal. It's actually really good. My mouth's lit up. Now ghost pepper, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, ghost pepper is pretty hot. It is a very hot pepper, but it's got that slow creep. And as you get that slow creep, it hits the back of the throat. It's not like a habanero or a jalapeno or something that lights up your mouth. In this particular case, because they used a, an extract in there, it hits different. It's not like having a real ghost pepper. This, you have an immediate mouth heat, right? So it's in your mouth, you swallow it. Wow, it's immediate mouth, and it's almost immediate throat. As you have more of it, the throat builds. It just gets stronger and more concentrated in the back of the throat. This is one of those ones where if like you swallow some of it and your little flap in the back of your throat just doesn't close right and it goes in your lungs, which the wrong pipe, well, man, what's wrong? I went down the wrong pipe. The wrong pipe is your lungs. Shouldn't have any food or drink or anything fall in your lungs. That's not good. But if they hit this, hit that, you'd have a heck of a coughing fit. Anyway, so honestly, I think this is great. If you like regular Campbell's chicken noodle soup, you're into it, you make it all the time, you like a little spicy, this is definitely worth getting. This is not a gimmick. This is not a blow your socks off. It's not a challenge. It's nothing like that. It's nothing to impress your friends. Let's get my nose running a little bit. This is just really good if you like spice. So if you're putting hot sauce or something in your chicken noodle soup, don't. Just buy this instead. Anyway, that's all. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of this bowl off camera. The actual bowl is nice. It's warm in my hands. The spiciness is nice when it's actually cold out here. I might actually just sit out here and just watch the squirrels and the birds and stuff while I finish this. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know in the comment section if you tried the ghost pepper Campbell's chicken noodle soup. But honestly, middle of the road. It's not spicy. It's definitely spicy, but it's definitely tolerable if you like spicy. It's not up there. It's not, like I said, it's not challenge level. Oh my God, you're not gonna be able to finish this bowl. No, it's actually really tasty and really good. Having spice in a chicken noodle soup is something I would never think to do. Like when I have chicken noodle soup, I don't think to put hot sauce or anything in it, but it's a pretty nice touch. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.